Imagine that incredible feeling of waking up, glancing at your phone, and knowing exactly where your car is, and that it's safe, without ever having to pay a single penny in monthly fees. The Ring Car Alarm is the ultimate low-effort, high-reward upgrade for anyone looking to add a layer of smart security to their vehicle. This device is the definition of plug-and-play. Forget about expensive trips to the mechanic or splicing into your car's wiring. It plugs directly into your OBD2 port, which is usually right under your dashboard. In the time it takes to adjust your mirrors, you've installed a sophisticated security system that's ready to guard your ride. Why it's a game changer? Real-time alerts. If someone bumps your car, attempts a break-in, or if it starts getting towed, you'll get an instant notification on your phone via the Ring app. Vehicle location tracking. Lost your car in a massive parking lot or, heaven forbid, it gets stolen? You can track its last known location directly from your device. Powered by Amazon Sidewalk, it uses a secure, shared network that works over long distances, ensuring your alarm stays connected even when you're parked away from your home Wi-Fi. 0 monthly subscriptions. This is the big one. Most car trackers lock you into a forever, monthly bill, but the Ring Car Alarm gives you these core features for a one-time purchase price. The device is sleek, discreet, and works with the same Ring app you likely already use for your front door. It bridges the gap between your home security and your mobile life, making sure your second biggest investment is just as protected as your first. Pro tip: before buying, just double-check that your car's OBD2 port is in a spot where the device won't interfere with your legs while driving. Most are tucked away perfectly. Click the link below for the best price, and give your car the smart protection it deserves today. If this breakdown helped you secure your peace of mind, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart tech reviews. See you in the next one.